Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's awesome. First time that has happened to me. First time I've used it. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. That right there. That's just awesome. Not going to lie, that's awesome. Cool. Again, never done any of this before. The engine is still slightly spinning. This is going to be awesome. Right, clipped a little bit into the aircraft. Request power supply too. Yes, this is awesome. Right, I'm just having a bit of fun. Hey, little buddy, are you having trouble finding where to park, or did you seem to be going kind of weirdly? Yeah, and then you just teleport to the side. Okay. Catering service too. I think that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. I want to do all this. All of these. Maybe not the fuel supply. That might be a bit too much. Like the fuel supply, like we have 49% fuel. I think that's even enough to make it to Lisbon, the next stop. I'm not going to do this live stream, but yeah. And now for the catering to be lifted. And then it just snaps into place. Oh, and the baggage service is ending. Wow. Actually, it does something. It actually ends up a little bit. And I think I've had my fun. Now, thanks for watching.